Hi, it's Sue from the Fraser Coast Libraries here. Thanks for joining us for our STEAM challenge. Today's challenge is to design and make a whale mobile. For this challenge, you will need some paper or card, some wool or string, some pop sticks or something else to hang from, some scissors, glue, sticky tape, and some pens or pencils. Now, when you have these materials in front of you, have a look at them and think about how you're going to use them to create your mobile. How are you going to make the whale shape? Are you going to have one big whale or lots of little whales? How are you going to hang it? How are you going to make it balance? Now, I've made a couple of examples here for you to have a look at. So you might get some inspiration from these, or you might do something totally different, totally up to you. Remember that the Fraser Coast Libraries has lots of great resources that you can borrow to continue your investigation into whales. And good luck with your challenge.